Let's learn numbers with our cricket stars.
This is number 1. Rohit Sharma comes in the 1 down position.
This is number 2. Virat Kohli comes in the 2 down position.
This is number 3. Shubman Gill comes in the 3 down position.
This is number 4. Shreyas Iyer comes in the 4 down position.
This is number 5. KL Rahul comes in the 5 down position.
This is number 6. Surya Kumar Yadav comes in the 6 down position.
This is number 7. Hardik Pandya comes in the 7 down position.
This is number 8. Ravindra Jadeja comes in the 8 down position. This is number 9. Kuldeep Yadav comes in the 9 down position.
This is number 10. Jasprit Bumrah comes in the 10 down position.
Yay! You learned numbers 1 to 10. Great job!